Betsy, and today we have a fun video. We are going to be doing the September Bliss box unboxing. Now, as some of you may know, this is a small business that is across the street from us. These are available online. And for October, they have two choices, a Halloween one, which is the one I ordered, or a fall one, or you can get both. I will have them linked in the description. I pay for these boxes myself, but I do have an affiliate link, so if you purchase from it, I make a little bit of commission, which helps me purchase more items from them. So we appreciate any of your support. And typically there are several items in here, at least a t-shirt. It is so cool. I love messing with these. This is so much fun. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing. So the first thing is the, oh my God, yes girl, it's a Bliss box time. Thanks for shopping at Baubles and Bliss. And then it tells you what items, sorry if the camera keeps going blurry, what items are in the box, and then the choices for the two October boxes. So you've got the, or actually this is the August box, excuse me. The September box is the Halloween or the fall theme. But because I'm going out of town, I won't be taking and opening it up till after we get back, so I figured I'd go with Halloween box. So there is some leopard print tissue paper, and then the first thing is on top this adorable sunflower t-shirt. It's a Bella v-neck, and it says, "In a world full of roses, be a sunflower." Isn't that adorable? Love that. Next, wrapped up in some more leopard paper. Oh, I needed a new one. A new, one of the jelly car, they're not really jelly, but they're like rubbery car air fresheners in a sunflower. And then the scent for this is leather and lace. Oh, that smells good. I haven't tried that scent before. Next, wrapped up in some blue tissue paper. Oh, look at these socks. Those are adorable. And it says, "Today is a good day." And they have sunflower print all over them. So as you can tell from this month, the theme was sunflowers. Next. Oh, sunflower seeds. Those will be fun to plant with my kids. And then it is a sunflower bracelet. Yes. Look how cute that is. I love that. I love dainty little jewelry. And I love that silver's coming back because that is, silver tone is one of my favorites. Next is, oh, super cute, sunflower earrings. And they're nice and lightweight. Look at those. They're so adorable. Another package. Oh, cute. So it's one of the long beaded necklaces that you could easily wear as a bracelet, double it over. See how cute that is? Love that. And it's like in a teal and silver color. Girl, other than pants and shoes, I got everything to make a complete outfit. And last but not least is one of the almost bracelet style key rings in this beautiful sunflower print. Isn't that adorable? And I'm sorry if my air conditioner keeps coming on. It's hot in Southeast Texas and I have a window unit in here and it can be loud. But I think this will be fun. I can take and monogram this because it's got a little white dot. So that is everything in the Bliss box. And these are $54.95 plus shipping if you're out of the area. So they're really not anything super expensive. I love the packaging on these. I love to work with them. I buy a lot of my clothing from over there. So, and my makeup matches it today, the sunflower theme. But I guess that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know down below what your favorite item is. Also, let me know if you like this style of videos. I can incorporate more of this onto my channel. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as my main channel, which is Cuttin Corners Vinyl, where I do all fun crafting stuff. We're getting ready for Christmas, but I guess that's it. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.